Class 9 miscellaneous question of science, physics, chemistry, bio, maths, MCQs. Then first question is, in the laboratory what precaution has to be taken with carbon disulfide? Options are A. Kept away from carbon, kept away from iron sulfide, C. Kept away from the flame, D. Kept away from distilled water. The true answer is C. Kept away from the flame. Because carbon sulfide is an extremely flammable, okay, and dangerous fire hazard, so it should be kept away from flame as it is inflammable. Okay, understand? Yeah, that is true answer. Now move on to the second question, and second question is, टंग इज मेड अप ऑफ, जबान किस चीज कैसे मसल से बना होता है? ओके, तो ऑप्शंस आर ए स्ट्रेटेड मसल एंड स्मूथ मसल, बी स्केलेटल मसल, सी कार्डियक मसल, डी स्मूथ मसल. गिव मी द आंसर. द ट्रू आंसर इज बी skeletal muscle. Because the tongue is under voluntary control via the somatic nervous system. Okay, therefore it is made up of skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle is found in other places as well, not just attached to the bones. Okay, skeletal muscle is the right answer, this one. Now move on. Third question. Third question is, which one of the following is not visible in the cheek cells? Option A, cell wall, B, nucleus, C, cytoplasm, D, cell membrane. The true answer is cell wall. A, cell wall. That is the true answer. Why? Because the cells do not have a cell wall. However, each cell has a thin cell membrane. Okay, a large vacuole is present at the center of each cell and is surrounded by the cytoplasm. A lightly stained cytoplasm is observed in each cell. Okay, a deeply stained nucleus is observed at the center of each cell. Okay, now the fourth question is, a body moves on 3/4 of a circle of radius r. The displacement and distance traveled by it, we know that the displacement is means the shortest path, and distance is actually what he moves through. Okay,
circle. Okay, solution of fourth question. That is center, that is radius, and that is also radius. This is radius and this is also radius. And displacement. What is the displacement? Displacement is equal to what? Displacement what? That is the displacement. This one is the displacement. And what is the distance? What is the length of this displacement? The length of this, we know this is 90 degree. And the length of this displacement is what? R square plus R square is equal to this displacement square. That means D square is equal to R square plus R square. Okay, that's why D is equal to 2R square root under, because that's square is good. That's why root under 2R displacement. We found a displacement. Okay, now the distance distance is, what is the distance of this? Distance is equal to what? 3 pi r. 3 pi r, okay? 3 pi r by 2. 3 pi r by 2. Why 3 pi r by 2? Because pi r is the full distance, but it covers only 3/4 of the circle. That's why this is the distance, okay? And now solve this. Okay, now full this he moves only this portion. That's why the distance is 2 pi r is the whole distance, okay, circumference. Now it is the 1/4 area. That's why 3/4 of
3/4 means 3/4, 3/4, 3/4.
That's why 3/4 into 2 pi r. 3/2 pi r. Okay. Now the answer is, D. Displacement is equal to 2 root under 2 r, and distance is equal to 3 pi r by 2.
D. Now move for the fifth question, and the fifth question is very simple. The SI unit of force is, what is the SI unit of force? You all know. So the comment below. A Newton. Okay. It's simple. It is. Is there any need of explanation? No need of explanation. But I want to give you the short explanation. What is that? That is because the symbol, what? M, the Newton symbol M is international system of SI unit, derived unit of force. Okay, it is named after Isaac Newton in recognition of his work on classical mechanics. Okay, especially Newton's second law of motion. Now, sixth question: recovery of salt solution in water can be done by? What is the right answer? A. Condensation, B. Evaporation, C. Filtration, D. Dissolving in more water. What is true? True is B. Evaporation. Why? Because that is very not tough. Simple it is. Evaporation is the true answer. And what is actually, although the salt is dissociated in solution, it still retains the property that it has a different boiling point from water. Okay, the water will evaporate first, leaving salt crystals behind. Okay, understand what is the actual property behind this. And now seventh question is, chlorophyll is present in thylakoid, matrix, stroma, cristae. Tell me the true answer. This one is the true answer. Seventh ka a thylakoid, because a thylakoid is a seed-like membrane bonded structure that is the site of the light-dependent photosynthesis reactions in chloroplasts and cyanobacteria. Okay, it is the site that contains the chlorophyll used to absorb light and use it for biochemical reactions. Understand? Now add the name the muscle which is found in visceral organs. A. Both serum and plasma. B. Smooth muscle. C. Blood. D. Plasma. The right answer is B, smooth muscle. Okay, because visceral muscle tissue or smooth muscle is tissue associated with internal organs of body, especially those in the abdominal cavity. So B is the right answer. Now, ninth question. The maximum speed of a train is 90 km per hour. It takes 10 hours to cover a distance of 500 km. The ratio of its average speed to maximum speed. Average speed to maximum speed. Ratio निकालना है. So we know this is average speed. Okay. This is average speed. So what is solve with this? 500 km by 10 hour taken. Okay, is equal to 50 km. 50 km per hour is average speed. Okay, and 90 km per hour is maximum speed.
The question wanted average speed to maximum speed. So average speed is this and maximum speed is 90 km per hour. So the 5 by 9, okay, is equal to 5 is to 5 is to 9 is true answer. 5 is to 9. 5 is to 9. This one is true answer. 10th question. The change in the momentum of a body in 0.01 seconds is 10 kg meter per second. The force acting on this body is, true answer is 1000 Newton. 1000 Newton is true answer. Okay. Now, what is the solution? Solution. We should have to solve. Solution is, what is solution? Solution. We know change of momentum is equal to given 10 kg per second. Okay, and time taken given 0.01 second. Okay, so the force is equal to force. Now the force is 10 by 0.01 is equal to 1000. What is the new SI unit of force? Newton. And okay, the true answer is 1000 Newton. Where is 1000 Newton? This is the 1000 Newton. Now move for the 11th question. 11th question is the aqueous mixture of salt and sand can be separated by the following method. What is the true answer? What is the right method? A. Sublimation. B. Condensation. C. Melting. D. Filtration. And the true answer is filtration. D. Filtration is the true answer. Okay, why? Because filter the solution to get sand separated. Now the filtrate on evaporation will give salt back. Okay, now move to 12th question. A prokaryotic cell does not process what that does not possesses. What that does not possess? The true answer is A. Nuclear membrane. That is true answer. before moving the 13th question, I should have to give the explanation of 12th question. And because prokaryotes do not, because what is the prokaryotes does not possess nuclear membrane? Why means what is the explanation of this question? Anyone can give the answer. Anyone know? If no, comment below. I'm giving the explanation because prokaryotes do have their genomic DNA concentrated and localized to a small area within the cell. Okay, within the cell region, nucleoid region, cell nucleoid region, under nucleoid region. So it's not entirely accurate to say that prokaryotes don't have a nucleus. Okay, full concept is this. Now move to the 13th question. And while observing a thin section of a plant stem, 4 students sketched sclerenchyma as given below. The correct diagram is, you should have to find what is the correct diagram. This one is correct diagram. This one, I don't think this one is correct diagram. What is the correct diagram? You should have to find. Give option, right answer. The right answer is A. This one is the correct diagram. This one is correct diagram. Why? Because in this figure, plant stem has pits, non-nucleated cells. Thick cell walls are characterized. Okay, fully characterized. Okay, and all this. Next question will be in second video. Now 13th question in one video, first section, and this is the first part of this question, this MCQ, ninth science MCQ, and you can revise 1C, 2B, 3A, 4D, 5A, 6B, 7A, 8B, 9B, 10D, 11D, 12A, 13C. That's the first part of video. Second part will come very soon. Thanks for watching.